Right. So next standard form is limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x is equals to 1. So we are going to see proof of this one. So before we are understanding or learning about a proof, let us try to substitute x value 0 in the given function. This is the function. So if I substitute x value 0 here, this is e power 0 minus 1 by 0. E power 0 value is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 by 0 is an indeterminate form. So indeterminate form, we got an indeterminate form, so therefore we cannot use this substitution method. So what to do? We have to do the simplification. But I mean, we can use rationalization, we can use factorization, or we can use simplification. Okay, we can use either any of the method to find the limit of this function. But what is the way? I mean, how can you find it? Okay, so factorization is something we cannot do it here, and rationalization doesn't work here. No need of doing rationalization. So here there is something called e power x series, e power x. So this value is e power x value is 1 plus x plus x power 2 by 2 factorial plus x power 3 by 3 factorial plus x power infinite by, okay, it is up to infinite. So this is the e power x series. This series is also called as Taylor series. Okay, so e power x expansion is this one. E power x is equals to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial, and so on. See, e is also called as Napier constant, or we can also call this as a natural logarithm. This is the base of a natural logarithm. Okay, we'll discuss about this one in other class, in other explanation. So this is the expansion of e power x. E power x is equals to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3, and so on. So we can also write in statistical form. The statistical form of e power x is equals to, okay, it is I is equals to 0 to infinite, okay, x power n by n factorial. So this is the uh, exponential statistical form of this series, e power x series. Okay, summation of I is equals to 0 to infinite x power n by n factorial. If you substitute I value 0 here, what will you get? First, x power 0. X power 0 means what? 1. 1 by 1 factorial, that is 1 only. Plus, next, x value, x power. Next I am substituting n value 1. If I substitute 1, I will get x power 1 by 1 factorial. Okay, 0 factorial first. Next 1 factorial. Next x power 2 by, if I substitute n value 2, x power 2 by 2 factorial, x power 3 by, and it goes on. So that's, you will get the same thing again. But that is a statistical form of it. Now once you get this, okay, we can do the simplification. So I'm going to substitute e power x value in this limit. So this is the series of e power x. Now I'm going to substitute e power x value in this. So it is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial, and up to infinite. Okay, minus 1. So this is e power x value up to here. Next minus 1. So your plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled, and we have x also. Yeah. we have x also. So limit x tends to 0. So here x by x, that is 1. Here x square by x into 2 factorial. Next x cube by x into 3 factorial, and so on. So here you will get this one. So what are you going to get? X by 2 factorial, x by 3 factorial, x square by 3 factorial, something you will get it. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x by 2 factorial plus x power 2 by 3 factorial, and so on. Now substitute x value 0 here. If I substitute x value 0, you will get something like 1 plus 0 by 2 factorial plus 0 by 3 factorial, and so on. So this value is totally 0. So finally you will get what? 1. So therefore what we can write, limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is equals to 1. So that is what we need to prove it. So the only one thing, this e power x series we need to understand. E power x is equals to what? 1 plus, see you can remember like this. You keep first x power 0, we can understand the series like this. X power 0, x power 1, x power 2, x power 3, and so on. Next, 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, and so on. Actually this and this are same. X power 0 means 1. 1 by 0 factorial, 1 only. So x power 1 by 1 factorial, x by 1, x square by 2, and so on. So that's how you can remember. X power 0 by 0 factorial, x power 1 by 1 factorial, x power 2 by 2 factorial, x power 3 by 3 factorial. So this is the series of e power x. Okay, right, that's all it is.